Hey everyone, Pradeep here from TGT and welcome to another video, and today I'll be talking about a very useful SSD from Samsung. Today we'll be unboxing and do the speed test of the portable SSD T5 from Samsung. Though this product is available in the market for a while now, but it is one of the best and value for money SSD to buy. Now this is the box. The image of the SSD is at the front. It's the 500GB variant and you can use it on Windows, Mac and Android as well. At the back, the maximum retail price is mentioned as 14,399 Indian rupees, but it is available in Amazon India and Flipkart for around 6,000 rupees. The country of origin is mentioned as South Korea. Now let's cut open the seal and pull the product out. As you can see, it is packed within another box and the SSD is at the top. Let's open that as well, and here is the SSD itself. It looks nice. We will get into the details a bit later, so let's keep that aside and see what else we get in the box. Here we have the Samsung SSD T5 user manual. Then we have two connecting cables, and the first one is a USB-A to USB-C cable. This is the one I'm going to use, and the next one is an USB-C to USB-C connector. So that is all we have in the box. Now let's keep all this aside and concentrate on the main product. Here is the solid state drive. The blue color looks fantastic. At the back, the Samsung portable SSD T5 is printed. At this side, it has a USB-C port for connection, and the other side mentions the model number, storage variant and the voltage rating of this product. It is really compact and lightweight. The maximum length is around 3 inch and the weight is just around 51 grams. According to Samsung, its shock resistant structure can withstand a fall from up to 2 meters, that is around 6.6 feet of height, but I haven't tested it. It has the optional password protection with AES 256-bit hardware encryption system, which is compatible with multiple OS. Also mentioned in the box that this product comes with a 3 years of limited warranty. Now according to Samsung, the transfer speed is up to 540 MB per second using a USB 3.1 Gen 2 port, which is a 10 Gbps port. Let's check the read and write speed in real life. Here is a MacBook Air from mid-2017. Let's connect the drive with this Mac. I'll be using the USB-C to USB-A cable provided within the box. So let's connect. Here we go. And here you can see it has been detected by the Mac straight away. Now let's move into the actual speed test. I'll be using a third-party DiskMark app from the App Store here. It's free. This will test to sequential read-write and to random read-write speed of this SSD. First, you have to select or create a readable folder within the drive so that the app can run the test. Here we go. Now once you select it from the drop-down menu, you can see that it is showing the detailed specifications of the drive as well. The test does take some time, but I will first forward it so that you don't have to waste your time. So here are the results. Of course, the random read-write speeds are significantly less than the sequential one, but it's up to the mark. So the max speed is around 403 Mbps. Remember, the port I am using is a standard USB 3.0 port with speed up to 5 Gbps, not an USB 3.1 port. this is an old MacBook Air, so it doesn't have that USB 3.1. So results are perfectly fine, I should say. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please do like, share and write your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT, as I keep bringing a lot of useful unboxing videos in this channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Peace.